Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, I will show you how to remove and replace one of those little buttons for the power windows on BMW E46, guys. You don't need to replace the whole assembly. You see this one here, it's broken, okay? So we can just replace that button. Okay, if yours is broken, we'll show you how to remove it and how to replace it. Okay, stay with us and we'll demonstrate now. Alright guys, so with a small screwdriver now, or a knife, just pry a little bit up. Okay, you can see it needs to come out of the hinge there. Okay, and you can have the button out. Now it's very important how you install it. This will be the one we'll be installing it on. You can see this piece on the bottom goes in a certain place. So when you hold the button, it needs to be down like that. Okay, you need to make sure that it goes where it's supposed to be, in place there, and you need to press it in. Okay, clicked on this side. Okay, we'll need to help it a little bit here to make sure. Okay, it went in and the button feels good. Okay, it's tight, it's super nice. So that's how you guys remove and replace the buttons on BMW E46 for the power windows. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.